Hello everybody, this is Aaliyah coming at you with a hair video. Today's hair video is about my new hair regimen that I have going on. Excuse my face, I'm like breaking out just a little bit. But I think that's because I haven't been drinking as much water as I should be. And I recently started back up on my hair affinity. I had stopped taking it for quite some time, but I actually have like a year's worth that I had bought and I just never used. So I started back up taking my hair affinity, and I'm also taking these hair, skin, and nails gummies. And there are 90 capsules, or 90 gummies, should I say? I'm sorry. In here, and it has. One second, let me see. Where's the calories? There are 15 calories. Sugars 2 grams. Vitamin C. It has vitamin E, and biotin. It has 2,500 mcg, which is micrograms. And it says for adults. Let me see if I can find it. It says for adults. Okay, directions. You can be able to see it right there. For adults, take 2 gummies daily, preferably with a meal. So that's what I have been doing. And I got my hair done January the 19th. And my hair it's only been about 3 weeks. And my hair is growing a lot. Normally my hair takes a long time to grow out, but I have a significant amount of growth already. I'm trying to get some better parts so we can see a little bit better. 1 second. I hope you can see.
You see me with glasses with those?
Show you the back. I know I got a lot of growth in the back, to the point where I really want to take them out, but I'm like, it's only been about 3 weeks. So I hope you can see me. I know it's hard for me to try to like do this and try to get you to see it real good at the same time. But yeah, I definitely have a lot of new growth compared to like the rate that my the pace that my hair usually grows is growing really fast. I believe today is like February the 11th, and like I said, I got my hair done January the 19th. So it's not even a whole month yet. I got that much growth. I really am trying to like hold out as far as like getting my hair redone or taking this out. Like I want to keep it in for a couple more months. Only thing I do intend on doing is just going back and just getting like my edges redone, and just leave the middle alone, because can't nobody really see the middle anyway unless I, show them. So I may take it out like May, before my daughter's birthday, before I take it out. So so far that's my hair regimen. I washed my hair like 3 times right before I got it done. I greased it, um, and that was it. Like I said, it's only been 3 weeks, and some of my hair is starting to come out the braid. You can kind of get like a idea of how long my hair is. But I definitely took pictures right before I got it done. So when I take this out, I'm going to compare the new growth that I got. Take the pictures before and it'll let me know. But I'll be able to see it more clear as far as how much my hair grew. But that's it. I love these vitamins. I have like a little less than half of a bottle left, and I'm going to go back and I'm probably going to get about 4 bottles of these. I feel like I got something in my eye. But yeah, I'm going to get about 4 more. They're really cheap. I had got it from Walmart, and it was less than $10, that bottle. I think it was like $7 or $8 for this 90 count. So I definitely recommend this product. Go ahead out there. They have it in pill form too, but being as though I'm already taking the hair affinity pills, like I don't really want to take a whole lot of pills, so I just decided to get gummies in these. Shoot, if they had hair affinity gummies, I would have those instead of the pills. But it's just so much easier. It really is. So that's it. Excuse me, y'all. I'm not trying to make this video too long or hold you up too long. While I'm on here, let me just show you my nails. So, as you can see, they're short. That's my left hand. This is my right. They are short, but they are thickening up. Like I always had weak nails, but they are like, I don't know if you can see it, but they are like a little bit shinier now, and they're starting to like feel like more strong. So now I'm gonna just see if they start to grow. But yeah, it definitely is stronger. So we shall see. We shall see. But let me go, guys. Get some rest. I gotta get up at 5 o'clock in the morning to go to work. So until next time, be blessed. Bye bye.